Hello guys, welcome to Crypto and Tech. Very soon we will start new episodes with a new channel's hosts and crypto and tech reviews. Subscribe and build a community with us. Let's go to review Cardano and Ethereum price prediction. Our analysts have given their Cardano, ADA, and Ethereum, ETH, predictions for 2023. If you're wondering what will happen to the Cardano price and what will happen to the Ethereum price. Not only that, but we've uncovered a hidden gem for you. A project that is predicted to reward early investors with 4,000% returns, free holidays and much more. Is Cardano a good investment? Industry analysts expect Cardano to remain stagnant for 2022. Despite the Cardano price recovering on Friday as part of the wider market gain, analyst predictions for Cardano are not positive. Cardano rose to popularity thanks to its proof-of-stake technology and its ability to process a huge number of transactions when compared to the likes of Bitcoin. Investors who backed the project early were richly rewarded as the Cardano price reached a high of $3.10 in September 2021. Cardano has fallen hard since then, with the Cardano price currently sitting at 44 cents at the time of writing. The Cardano price prediction for 2023 is miserable, with losses expected and the price dropping to 33 cents. Cardano investors may be left sitting on huge gains and are looking to new projects to help them recover their portfolios. Read on to find our pick of the bunch. What will happen to the Ethereum price in 2023? The second biggest cryptocurrency, Ethereum has been a great investment for those who were clever enough to find the project and take a risk on it. Much like pre-sale projects now, Ethereum gave investors an opportunity to make huge gains in a short space of time. The Ethereum price is $1,490.39, and the Ethereum price has remained relatively stable for the past month. After registering a decline of 35% in the past year, Ethereum investors have been wisely selling their Ethereum to take profits and reinvest them in new projects. We asked our analysts what their price prediction for Ethereum in 2023 was, and their prediction was that Ethereum will stay in a range between $1,320.45 and $1,612.58. ETH holders will be relieved to hear that the price will remain stable, but many have already turned to new projects. What is the best crypto investment in 2023? It's the question on everyone's lips, and we think we've found the answer. It's a project that is backed by physical assets, giving it ultimate price stability whilst also delivering gains of over 4,000% in 2022. This project will allow you to earn huge amounts of income every month to boost your portfolio through staking rewards and through rental income from a portfolio of million-dollar properties across the world. All managed for you, you just collect your money. The Hideaways is not just a cryptocurrency revolution, it's a real estate revolution. Investors who invest $10,000 will have access to their gold tier membership, which gives them access to one free 5 asterisk holiday including flights every year, a luxury concierge service offered through an app that gives you access to discounted private jet flights, free travel experiences, 5 asterisk restaurant reservations and much more. The pre-sale is live and investors are set to benefit from a price rise from 1 cent to 2 cents in the coming days. Analysts have recently set a growth target of 4,000% for the project, with some predicting that growth could hit 10,000% in 2023, making this the best investment of 2023.